So today we are going to sculpt our cheekbones with two super easy face yoga techniques. So work to your own level with everything. Apply some Fusion by Danielle Collins moisturising serum so you've got a little bit of glide, and simply taking your fingers like this, index fingers, come either side of your nose, come under your cheekbones and lift off. Taking that again, come under the cheekbones and lift off. Now in terms of how long you do this one, you can really do it up to about 1 minute, maybe even a minute and a half if you've got enough of the moisturising serum on your face so you've got that glide. But we're going to do a little bit shorter today, just to keep it a nice short video. So this is really helping to sculpt and lift. We're then going to take our two fingers and just come underneath the cheekbones and lifting off. This is also boosting the blood circulation, so it's really helping to bring all that fresh blood and nutrients and oxygen to your skin surface, as well as releasing tension from the muscles and encouraging the muscles to naturally lift. And that is it. You are all done. If you'd like more information on face yoga, head to faceyogaexpert.com.